so I have to give more food grains for so many people. This is hypocrisy of the first order.
No, I want to know why the government uses.
I completely agree, actually.
Yes, Surjit Bhalla, you agree with that?
I completely
Absolutely.
agree. Yeah. No, 100%. That is my point. I'm sorry, but that is exactly what I wanted to transmit. That this government is completely hypocritical, is playing a political game, and is being fast and dishonest. Precisely this. That's why I said either you decide that your poor people are X or 22%, let's take for argument, or your poor people are 70%. But you cannot have it both ways. And this government goes out of its way to have it both ways. And that's where its dishonesty and its bluff needs to be called.
And do you think people will accept this? You know, you think that people, Balachandra Mungekar, people who you can, you think there is a constituency out there that is not well versed with the economic arguments. There is an audience out there that does not know about Rangarajan and Tendulkar committee reports, and you'll go to them and you'll say we reduced poverty by half. You think they will believe you? Why you must give me an honest answer. Why were the poverty estimates? No, sir, my question is,
enlarges the scope of the definition of the poverty line.
Sir,
we may have some different sets of poverty estimates.
Sir, please.
At present, I think Tendulkar poverty line estimates and the poverty methodology were accepted by all, including the Planning Commission.
Absolutely not.
This has been
absolutely not.
Time and again during
absolutely
the last 30 years.
Absolutely not.
That's why the question is that tomorrow when you are getting Rajar Committee's report, you may have some different sets of poverty estimates.
Sir, absolutely
and
not.
let us see the compare between this and then.
Sir, absolutely not. 1 minute. Mohandas Pai, coming to you. Absolutely not. Mr. Mungekar, your government accepted that the system was faulty. And today I am asking you to tell me on the News Hour tonight, why have you put out poverty estimates which are revised using a controversial, contentious, irrelevant methodology which your government itself is in the process of rechecking? Why have you put it out? You tell us why.
See, I will tell you. These are the poverty estimates. As I mentioned,
these are not the correct poverty estimates.
Between 2004-5 and 11-12, and this is mixed reference period.
Mohandas
We are
Pai.
having two sets of poverty estimates: uniform reference period and mixed reference period. These are the two estimates of poverty. At this point of time, Planning Commission has given these estimates based on Tendulkar method.
Sir, I tell you one thing.
And country has accepted that the Tendulkar method
you are wrong.
better
Sir, you are wrong again.
The Lakdawala method which was given in 1974 and accepted by the Planning Commission.
No, we are not so confused. Your government rejected this.
Sir,
you are again wrong. Mr. Mungekar.
My only point is that it is consistent.
Mr. Mungekar, Mohandas Pai has a response to you, and after Mohandas Pai, I will prove to you that your government criticized the Tendulkar committee report. You cannot quote it today. Your government gave up on the Tendulkar committee report. You cannot use it today. Mohandas Pai, your response. Yes, please.
Anna, the short answer every citizen of this country wants to know is what kind of income level should a family of 5 have per month to keep body and soul together in the rural areas and in the urban areas. And the government should tell us, and below that level, and we must define the level, and we must make it acceptable to people, so people understand below that particular income level, government will help them out, above the level below, they will not help them out. Now all this talk about 1966 criteria doesn't gel with people. In the last 3 years, there's been 30% inflation in the CPI.
Absolutely.
People have become poorer in the last 3 years. They cannot afford to live. They cannot afford to eat properly. They can't afford to send their children to school. Most people in this country feel poorer, Arnab, and that's the question they're asking you.
No, I'm asking the question. I'm not swearing by these figures. Mr. Balachandra Mungekar is swearing by the figures. I want Mr. Balachandra Mungekar to answer that. And I want Mr. Balachandra Mungekar, as I take the calls, I want to ask you one more question. Will you promise that if you use this number in your 1 minute, let me complete. If you use this number in your election campaign, you will also put a big subtext below it that families of 5 should be happy with 4,000 rupees in rural India, and families of 5 should be happy with 5,000 rupees in Mumbai and Delhi. Will you also say that? Or will you put it in asterisks? Somewhere, will you hide that fact somewhere in your ad? Will you hide that fact somewhere in your ad?
Since he has informed the question of the inflation rate, June 12 to June 2013, the rate of consumer price index was 9.87%. May 2013, it was 9.31%. That's why, so far this year is concerned, it is just 0.56% higher.
Sir, you check
Now,
your
9
facts.
or 10%
Sir, you check
rate
your
of
facts. I know these
inflation
facts
for the consumer
verbatim.
price
I
index
know
is
these facts
concerned.
verbatim. I know these
Yeah.
facts verbatim. Between
And
February.
government
No,
should
no,
try
no,
to
no, no, no,
control
no, no, no.
it.
One second, Mr.
It is
Mungekar. Between
not
February and
something we
April,
have
your
lived.
These are not
CPI
facts
went
to
up.
be proud about.
It's nothing to be proud about. Exactly.
Arnab,
If in a month
just
your
give me a minute.
No, 1 second. If in a month, I'm not an economist, Surjit Bala is, but if in 1 month your CPI index is going up by 5 to 7%, you should really be worried about it. You should be flaunting these statistics, Mr.
No, it is
Mungekar.
not 5
Nirmala
6%.
Sitharaman is contradicting
No, just
you.
give me one
Nirmala
minute.
Sitharaman.
No, it was not. It was
Nirmala
May
Sitharaman.
2013, it was
Mungekar ji.
9.31%.
Nirmala
please,
Sitharaman.
For the
Mungekar ji.
entire earlier year, it was 9.87%.
No, Mr. Mungekar, please.
So compared
No,
to
no,
May,
Mr.
during-
Mungekar, just listen to me for a minute. Mr. Mungekar, please put down your file, and as
Please.
soon as this program is over, go with a 100 rupee note in your hand to the market which is available nearest and tell
Exactly.
me what you could buy out of it.
Yeah.
And whatever you buy, will it be sufficient to feed just yourself? Leave your family. Will it be enough for you to feed yourself? What are we talking about all the data which is being churned out of Planning Commission? I'm sorry, Mr. Mungekar. I appreciate your earnestness to want to be an academician.
No, no.
Put that aside.
No,
Can you live?
Nirmala Sitharaman ji, I shall ask you a very simple question. See, I am not preparing my own data. I am not manufacturing my data. You don't manufacture your data. The only question is, today, during last 2 months, the wholesale prices and the consumer price index are rising basically
You're
because
back
of
again
the
on that.
prices of fruits and vegetables. And the demand for fruits and vegetables has been rising because
no.
even the bottom
Sir,
30%
no.
and 40% population
This man doesn't get it.
So
income has been rising.
So what are you saying?
Rural
So
people.
what are you saying? So what are you saying?
200 to
So what-
250
So then I must know
crore
from you.
days.
No. Then I
Jobs
must.
have been
Then
the-
no.
percentage have
Then
been
I
created
want.
in rural
No.
areas. Rural income has been rising.
I think-
That's because of these welfare measures, the overall income level is rising, and as a result of which, we are finding today.
Now I will. Now I will have to come out. No. 1 second. I will quote. I will quote the government to you. No. 1 second. No. Mr. Mungekar, Swaminathan Iyer.
Can I just come in?
No. I want to go to Swami for a second. Surjit, coming back to you. Swami is wanting to come into the debate. Swami, yes, please.
Okay. No. Mr. Mungekar is drowning in some kinds of data. Let me just take it to another bunch of data. The consumption data of the same particular survey, which came out, about a month ago, the full data came out. What does it show? It shows that the percentage of people's income being spent on cereals is going down. The percentage being spent on superior foods is going up. The percentage spent on non-foods is going up even more. This is a sign of a society that is gradually getting away from basic foods and hunger to superior foods and
Sir,
non-food items
I don't-
manufactured.
you think so?
Absolutely.
So the
No.
broad overall picture,
No.
the very same set of data are telling you that people are definitely getting better
Sir,
off.
Swami,
This may be separate from
Swami,
the point you are
Swami,
raising as to,
Swami.
No, let me finish.
No, Swami.
You are-
Who
Anand,
believes
please
that?
Let me finish.
Who will believe that?
There are two separate.
You believe that Indians are now
everyone-
splurging. So your argument is Indians are splurging beyond food. That's your argument.
Indians, no sir. Indians
compared to 10 years back,
India
Indians have
is a
begun
very
splurging.
Please listen. India is a poor country that is getting somewhat better off.
Really?
It remains extremely poor. Nevertheless, the emphasis I am making is the data show very clearly that from being an extraordinarily poor place, you are becoming a somewhat less poor place.
Well, I know.
And instead, I find people, you are never coming with data and saying, would you be satisfied with this? As though the middle class satisfaction line
No, I'm
is
not.
the same as the poverty
No, I'm
line.
not. I'm asking.
sorry,
No,
the middle
Swami.
class satisfaction
Swami.
line
No,
is
Swami.
not the poverty line.
Swami, I'm not. Swami, I'm not. I'm not coming up with something completely fantastical as your president. I am coming up and now I will quote the government of India
It is
to the
not
government of
fantastic,
India.
it is middle
No,
class.
the government of India said, and that's where the politics of it should not be forgotten, Swami. The government of India said in May 2002 at a press conference addressed by Ashwini Kumar, in which Montek Singh Ahluwalia, who was either sulking or strategically not present at that press conference, Ashwini Kumar had the press conference. Ashwini Kumar said, and I quote him today, he said, we should look at an income that enables a person to fulfill his needs and live a dignified life. Any other definition that does not satisfy this rationale will not find popular acceptance. This is the government of India on record, sir.